Background apps can quietly drain your battery and resources. In this video, we will explain how to disable background apps in Windows. Many apps keep running in the background even when you are not using them, updating content, sending notifications, and consuming power. To take control, open Settings and go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Find an app you want to manage. Click the three dots beside it and choose Advanced Options. There you will find a setting for background app permissions. You can set it to never run in the background, only when needed, or always. Choosing never stops it from using resources when closed. Do this for apps you do not need running constantly, like games or rarely used tools. Be thoughtful with apps you rely on for notifications, such as email or messaging, since disabling their background activity may delay alerts. On laptops, reducing background apps noticeably improves battery life. You can also use Battery Saver Mode, which automatically limits background activity when your charge runs low. Trimming unnecessary background apps keeps your computer faster, cooler, and more energy efficient throughout the day.